Okay, so today is just a continuation of our box and whisker plot. So we're going to describe the distribution and we're going to analyze different box and whiskers. So here it says to describe the center and the spread, either using the mean and standard deviation if it's symmetric. If it's not, if it's skewed, we'll use the 5-number summary. So we're going to look at these numbers. The first thing you're going to do with those numbers is put them in a list. Once you have them in list, I like list 1, then you're going to graph using a box and whisker plot in your calculator, and we get a graph that looks something like this. Okay, we can see that this is skewed. Because it is skewed, it wants us to find the 5-number summary. We do that in we go back to our stats and choose to calculate something. So you got to arrow over to calculate and then choose a 1-variable statistic. And once you get there, we're going to look for the bottom 5. Our min is 52, and we have done this in several of our assignments already. Our Q1 is 54.5. Our median is 55. Our Q3 is 57. And our max is 59. In example 2, we're going to be looking at the box and whisker plot and try to answer these questions. A says, which class has the higher median? Now, if you remember, the first part of the box represents our lower quartile.
Rangel, if you're still here, please come to the office and let us know where you are. Eli Rangel.
Sorry about that. This one represents your median. This represents your upper quartile. This is your greatest value. That one is your least value. Okay, so which class had the higher median? We're looking here, and here you can see that class B had the higher median. Which one had the lowest score? So right there. Our lowest score is class A. Which class had the smaller interquartile range? The interquartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile, or the distance from the lower quartile to the upper quartile. So you can see that class A has a much smaller box than class B. And then which class would you rather be in? We had a good discussion about this. Most of my classes said they would like to be in B because the median was higher and it had higher grades, and its lowest value was not the lowest value in class A. Alright, hopefully this will help you with your 6-3 Part 2 homework assignment.